The MSc AI course provides solid foundation in core concepts of the AI, such as machine learning and deep learning, but also specialized areas like ethics of AI, which is increasingly becoming more relevant as the AI technology matures.
This course provides you with a more advanced and specialized technique, such as computer visions, natural language processing, generative AI, which you're gonna need it for your future career. Doesn't matter which technologies you would be involved in.
The course combines theoretical lectures with the hands-on lab sessions, and that makes sure that the students will have a good understanding of the core concepts of the AI, as well as they will be equipped with the necessary skills for solving AI problems.
There are some opportunities for practical experience, and actually I am an excellent example for this case. I work part-time as research assistant on one of the funded projects of University of West London. Also, for our dissertation, I am working on real-world problem as well. And I know that UWL has internships that we can apply for after our graduation.
Well, the UWL lecturer team, they're just phenomenal, very approachable. They could be more helpful in class, engaging, and also after hours, they support you when you've got questions and follow through on some of your coursework. The team at UWL have been incredibly important in my journey leading through to starting up an artificial intelligence business in the telecommunications industry.
There is a huge demand for AI scientists in the market, and we prepare our graduates to be equipped with the necessary in-demand AI skills, so they will be competitive when they graduate, whether they are looking to industry roles or they would like to do doctoral studies or further education.